Well, welcome to our little ride to Gator Joe's. On this one here, I've made a map and I'll put a link on it. It's a Google map. And when you click on the link, it'll give you the route and it has a start button. So I guess it will work.
Today, baby.
Gator Joe's.
And where's that at?
I don't know.
Are you getting hungry?
Yes.
Pretty nice ride. We're going to take off here in about 2 minutes. There we go.
Yeah, every time I see Old Glory flying, I gotta get it on camera. I always like taking back country roads to my destination, and if I can, I'm gonna find different back roads to take on back. All about the ride, too. Every time I see these 4 old buildings, I just wonder what it's like way back in time. This was a dirt road, whole different world. Right away with the tree canopy, I can tell this is Highway 318. I love it. And here also the way the trees are, you'll never forget that you're right in Ocklawaha right now. And there's a couple of guys enjoying the ride too. I gotta say, Gator Joe's has always been a winner. I mean, when we needed a place to eat, I could call them up and sure enough, they'd come through for us. I remember being at Eden's Beach and it was going to be a long wait, and I called Gator Joe's up and it was like 24, 25 of us. And I said, boy, I got reservations, but it's going to be another 30, 40 minutes. They said, come on down. This is a look of inside and then going back outside. Really a unique place to check out. Most of you have been there.
Pretty nice out here. Hey, baby.
What?
How did you like Gator Joe's?
It was amazing.
Enjoy what you ate?
I did. Great food. Great atmosphere. Annoying women behind us, but that's okay.
The ride over here?
Oh, beautiful.
Wearing you out with the camera?
Well, here it's February. In the summertime, you'll see on the left over there, they're playing volleyball. On the right, everybody's laying out in the sun, just soaking it up. One last pass going through the inside to give you a little perspective what this place looks like. Now, because of all the stops, here's the ride going home on Google Maps, and I have the link for this also. This is our first stop by the park where they're launching boats, and we're just hoping right here when we get here we're going to see alligators. We didn't.
Hey, baby?
Sure.
Let's see if we see some alligators out here. Okay. Let me see. That sounds good, doesn't it?
Now, right here, I had the picture to say how big the alligator was, but we never seen it. Was our next stop, the Yearling restaurant. Pretty neat place to check out. But at the same time, I took her back and it seemed like it wasn't the same. They used to be way better than that. I'll keep checking with them and hopefully I'll enjoy it more. They were pretty busy. And Penny getting some pictures out front. And of course, you got to walk around there. And hey, we got the place to ourselves almost to check everything out, walk into the water and all. But again, nope, we didn't see no alligators. Now, I thought this was really cool. Evinston, community store and post office. You can stop it and read it. But it's really unique. It's an old building, and the lady inside started giving us the history about this. I've stopped here a few times, but
Evanston.
today they
Really
were
neat
open
out here.
and we checked it out.
Look on in.
Okay. Pretty cool, ain't it? And this is the post office too, right?
Yes, this is the oldest continuously operating post office in the
What's that one? Yep. Where's the old age person then?
As we say, go away.
Yeah. Back in the days.
If this was
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Man, I gotta say, it was a nice day. Temperatures were just right. I just love all that Spanish moss, and there's that Old Glory waving again. You guys have a great time, and we'll see you guys on the road sometime here. Until then, later.